Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Cyril June Baglinao, your first reporter. Lesson 2, Equipment Tools for Housekeeping Operations. Advantage of cleaning equipment. Cleaning equipments are available in a variety of size, form, voltage, and applications. Cleaning equipment is beneficial in a variety of ways. 1. Save cleaning time and housekeeping staff. 2. Clean more efficiently than manual labor. 3. Produce more output and reduce work. Number 3. Produce more output and reduce work fatigue. Number 4. Reach any corner or height of an area which is difficult to reach by manual labor. 5. Some eco-friendly and user-friendly.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Sophia Burgess. I'll be the next reporter. Classification of cleaning equipment, manual cleaning equipment. The chambermaid trolley or housekeeping trolley. It is also called housekeeping trolley, one of the most significant equipment in the housekeeping department. It is designed to carry replacement items for rooms like shampoos, fresh towels. They have the capacity to remove used items as well. Next is the janitor's trolley. Carts used to move cleaning supplies like sprays and cloths easily around the building, up and down floors and in and out of doors. These carts are used to carry cleaning supplies so that the staff can move throughout the facility with everything that they need on hand without having to run back to the storage room. Next is the mop and mop wringer. Also known as mop trolley, is a wheeled bucket that lets you wring out a wet mop without getting your hands soiled. It is a tool used for cleaning the floor, and the wringer allows the user to easily brush excess water out of the wet mop. Next is the carpet sweeper. A carpet sweeper is a manual home tool with a spinning brush or brushes and a dust and container for sweeping carpets. It is a mechanical device that is used to clean carpets and rugs. So next is polishing. Polishing machine is also known as buffing machines. Are used to buff soft metals like copper and rust, as well as polymers like perspex. And it is to perform operations of brushing or any materials that is metal. Next is scrubber. It is a device used to clean floors. It can be as simple as a floor mop or brush, or it can be as complex as a walk behind or ride on machine that cleans bigger areas by injecting water with cleaning solution, scrubbing, and removing the residue of the floor. Next is dry foam machine. A pressure tank holds a mixture of water and shampoo in the dry foam carpet cleaning machine. It gets your carpet clean and back in use in no time.
Good day, everyone. Good day, ma'am. I am the next reporter. I am Marcus Reynoso, and my assigned topic is washers. Washer is made up of a huge stainless steel perforated drum that holds the laundry and an external stationary shell that carries the wash water in various capacities ranging from 7 to 350 kilograms. So next is the dry cleaning machine. Soiled clothes are placed into a big drum machine and cleaned with a chemical solvent that does not require water. Next is the ironer. Ironer is made up of two heated cushion rollers that rotate and iron flat linens like tablecloth and bed sheets. Next is folder. Folders are semi-automated machines that do not precisely fold the linens but hold the ends from the other end are available.
Good day, ma'am and everyone. So I'm the next reporter, Micaela Zamora. So my assigned topic is tunnel washers. The linens are processed in several distinct compartments in tunnel washers. Linen is loaded at one end and unloaded at the other. Next is tunnel dryer. Garments are hanging on conveyor belts that travel through a tunnel. By the time the pieces emerge from the tunnel, the hot air has dried them entirely. Next is shirt press machine. It consists of numerous units designed for pressing different portions of the shirt which are cushioned and contoured accordingly. Next is flat iron. A flat iron is a small appliance that is heated and used to remove wrinkles and unsightly creases from the clothing.
Kaya nga na hinuhuli ay the next reporter. Number 9, dustpan. It is used to pick up the overall dust and dirt subsequent of sweeping. Bucket and water dipper. Buckets are often used for holding and carrying water. Water dipper its primary purpose is to clean. Brushes. It is used for cleaning, grooming hair, makeup, painting, surface finishing, and for many other purposes. Dustbin is to keep filthy and decomposing garbage in one place away from the rest of the surrounding environment. Plumber used to clear blockage and in drains and pipes. Gloves help keep our hands clean and improve your chance of getting germs that can make you sick. Mask. Wearing a mask is beneficial in offering protection from pollution and allergies. Eye goggles provides protection from chemical splashes, impact, and dust.
17. Shoes and boots. They offer protection from elements like water, snow, and mud, while also being a fashion statement. 18. Warning signs. Warning signs alert personnel and visitors to health and safety hazards beyond those identified in the caution sign. 19. Tongs. Tongs are the tools that you use to grip something and lift it.
So, good afternoon everyone. So, I am Mary Chris Maicon. So, my assigned lesson is the cleaning agents or chemicals. Water. Water is essential to any cleaning process. Where a liquid is involved, this understanding allows the custodial team to solve cleaning problems in the most effective and most environmental safe manner. 2. Vinegar. Vinegar is the acidic nature of vinegar. It's so powerful it can dissolve mineral deposit, dirt, grease, and grime. It is also strong enough to kill bacteria. 3. All-purpose cleaner. All-purpose cleaner can be used for a different cleaning tasks in and around the house, such as cleaning floor, window, and mirrors. 4. Glass cleaners. Remove top dirt, grime, and grease from glass surface. 5. Bathroom cleaners. Bathroom cleaners are products specially designed for cleaning surfaces in bathrooms such as bathtubs, sink, taps, and shower cabins. 6. Disinfectants. Disinfectants uses chemical to kill germs on surfaces and objects.
Good morning, ma'am. I am the next reporter. I am Romy Batukan, and my topic is metal polisher. The primary benefits of metal polishing can increase material durability, create stronger electrical conductivity, reduce corrosion, chemical and electrical resistance. So, it can be used to buff and finish metals like aluminum, brass, copper, and stainless steel. So, mo to siya ang purpose atong metal polisher. And next is clean air spray. Highly used to get rid of unpleasant and bad odors, especially in indoor environment. So, kani siya nga spray, magamit ni siya sa kanang like mababaho nga lugar, sama sa pwede po siya gamiton sa CR para pampawala sa baho. So, next is degreaser. A degreaser is a cleaner designed to remove grease, oils, cutting fluids, corrosion inhibitors, handling soils, fingerprints, and other contaminations. Ang usage niya kay formulated using the top 4 essential oils with antibacterial properties and combined with sugarcane alcohol that is effective in killing germs. So pangpatay ni siya og germs kanang mga magamit na Japanese siya sa mga hugaw nga area, or pwede po siya sa imong hands if dili ra kayo siya taas og chemical. Next is floor cleaners and sealers. Floor sealers and finishes provide an additional layer of protection to the floor surface, enhancing durability and resistance to stain and wear. So, panglimpyo siya og mga salog or mga pamprotect sa floor surface and enhancing durability. And next is detergents. A detergent is a substance or a mixture containing soaps and surfactants intended for washing and cleaning process. Pwede po siya panggamit sa panglaba, mga sabon, inana. And next is bleach. Bleach is a strong and effective disinfectant. Katuning mga mura po siya og hypo sa tuwa, hypo ni siya or Zonrox, mga inana pangwala sa mancha sa sanina or anything pangpatay sa bacteria, ana. And that's all.
So good morning, ma'am. My topic was all about ammonia. So ammonia in housekeeping is commonly used in cleaning agent to clean and sterilize surfaces such as floors, counter straps, and effective in removing grease. So when using ammonia, it is important to avoid mixing it in the other bleach and it can produce toxic gases. So ammonia can be used in a bathroom, in a sink, or anything na pwede po sa mga lababo, pwede siya gamiton. So next is the wood polish. So wood polish, it is used to condition and preserve the wood of furniture. It is not the primary protector of the wood, as that the role is fulfilled by the varnish, lacquer, or synthetic finish used in quality furniture. So dili siya pareha sa mga varnish. Kung polish na siya, like murang mapampasinaw lang bitaw para ma-maintain ang quality sa kahoy, na like example kanang mga bangko. So ma-maintain ang pasinaw niya. So next is the insecticides. Insecticides are chemical used to control insects by killing them or preventing them from engaging in undesirable or destructive behaviors. They are classified based on their structures and mode of action. So one of the example of that insecticide is mga baygon, mga other pa na mga insecticides na makapatay sa mga okok, sa mga insects na makadaot sa atuang industry. So next is the muriatic acid. So muriatic acid, also known as hydrochloric acid, is a corrosive strong acid that many industrial and housekeeping application. It requires proper precaution and handling source. So kasagaran makita nato ning mga muriatic acids nani siya sa mga bathroom kay kusog jud ni siya, dabi tungod siyang ka-acid, pwede matangtang maging bisan pag unsa ka hugaw ang naa sa CR, matangtang gid siya kanang mga mansa. Next is a drain cleaner. A drain cleaner is a product or device used to unblock sewer pipes or clog drains. It can be a chemical or mechanical utensils such as commercial chemical products, plumber snake, and their nogers. So one example of that is kanang napuno na bitaw ang inyong tubo o panudlanan sa inyong lababo, tapos dili na kayo makasulod ang mga hugaw. Hindi mo na gamiton yung drain cleaner. So, human tools ni siya na which is pag mo na siyang gamiton, like, ang katong mga pagkaon na dili masala o dili mahulog dayon, mahulog na siya. Like, kanabang murag siya yung maghatag o kwan sa hugaw na diretso siya sa iyang flow bitaw pagawas. So, that's all.